Welcome. Today in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate quick launch on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then just scroll down to the additional settings. Here you'll see the button shortcuts, tap there. And now we got here our functional shortcuts, and just for example by double press to the power key to launch the camera, tap there and switch this to the double press the power button, and by this way we can activate the quick launch. And now as can you see, I'm just press twice on the power button and I launch my camera application. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.